love you.
I gotta go to the store.
Okay, be right back.
I gotta get the bouncy house.
You're gonna go get the bouncy house at the store?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
Here's the bouncy house. I found the blue one.
Cool,
I have it right here.
Oh.
I can jump on it.
dude. Okay.
I can jump in.
Gonna have a hug. I missed you at the store.
I gotta
Okay,
go to the
go get the bouncy house.
I gotta go get the orange and blue. Gotta go get my blue and the orange.
Will you get me some cookies
No.
while you're at the store?
I'm getting a bouncy house.
Well, can you get a bouncy house and cookies, like some eel fudge?
You find the bouncy house.
Yes, thanks, dude.
Good job, dear.
Yeah. I gotta go get
Okay, be safe. Drive safe.
Okay. But I can push. This is the car.
Okay. Don't push it. Not on the floor. Baby.
Hey, don't drag it on the floor.
I wanna drive.
Okay, but don't drag it on the floor, please.
Don't put it back on the rug.
Put it back on the rug.
I'm at the store.
Are you driving like this?
That's not
You're not even listening.